Hello everyone, this video is for Ashley, special request, trying to help her pick out her favorite color. So here we are looking at some samples that is actually laid out on the Solitude color. This is the SPC 006. Now we actually have the same design in a little bit lighter color. So it's got the same character, and here it is. It's just overall lighter tones of the same design. It's called the Tennessee River Hickory. Here's a sample here, and it is marked by SPC 011 on our website. So again, to just show that comparison of color tones, there's samples of the Tennessee River Hickory on top of the Solitude. Again, those are the same character design, just two different colors. Solitude's darker, Tennessee River is lighter. Now also comparing against the Solitude is some Barnwood pieces here. And it has more of a golden tan color in comparison. Also, looking at additional colors for comparison is the Lumberjack Pine. It has more of a golden amber color effect. And here it is in comparison to the Solitude. Taking all these samples together, to the right is samples of Solitude. To the left of the Lumberjack is a couple of samples of the Tennessee River. And then again, the Barnwood. So here's some more comparing, kind of overall visual. Hopefully this helps you, Ashley. Let me know if you need any more assistance. Be glad to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.